Hey guys, it's Susan. Today I want to show you how to make some really pretty teardrop earrings. They're really easy to make, so let's get started. I'm starting off with 20 gauge wire. I'm going to cut about 4 inches. Line it up. Cut for the other side. I'm going to flush cut my ends. Bringing in my circle form, I'm going to start forming my loop. Pressing down. This is fairly stiff wire. This is half hard, this artistic wire, but we need something that's going to hold its spring or hold its form. Okay, once I have these two around this, I'm going to go ahead and make a loop here. I marked my pliers where I want to start my loop, so I'm going to put that in and start turning around. And when I reach my wire, I'm going to take it out, bring it back in, and break the neck. Do the same for the other one. Let me get the flush cut side. Start turning. Bring it in and break the neck. Bring in my bench block and I'm going to go ahead and hammer the loop that I just made. Do the other side. I'm going to slowly bring it together to make my teardrop shape. Using my flat pliers, I'm going to bend it to the back. I'm going to hook it through. Using my chain nose pliers. I'm going to push the stem down. Do the same for the other side. And squeeze it together. What I like to do is put both of my hoops together, come in with a smaller form, press it down, and I'm going to hammer the bottom to make sure that they're both even. Looks pretty good. So there you have your teardrop shaped earrings. Now we're just going to put on our earring wires. I'm going to go ahead and twist my loop open by turning it to the left. I'm going to hang on my earring and close it down. Do the same for the other side. Twist it to the side. Hang on my earring and twist it back. And there you have it, simple and sweet. I hope this video was useful for you and you will give these earrings a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.